This Magic Bullet blender has earned its reputation as a compact, efficient kitchen appliance that promises versatility and convenience. For those looking to streamline their food preparation process without investing in bulky and expensive equipment, the Magic Bullet might just be the solution. This 11-piece set offers a compact design with a 250-watt motor base that's designed to handle a variety of kitchen tasks. From blending smoothies to chopping vegetables, the Magic Bullet brings simplicity to your culinary adventures. One of the first things you'll notice about the Magic Bullet is its compact and sleek design. Measuring at just over 10 inches in height, the blender is small enough to fit on your countertop without taking up much space. Its silver finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor, while the high-impact plastic used for the cups ensures durability. This makes the Magic Bullet ideal for those with limited kitchen space or anyone who prefers a minimalist setup. The accessories are well thought out, allowing you to easily blend, mix, chop, and store your food with minimal effort. The crossblade is designed to handle everything from soft fruits to harder ingredients like nuts or ice, making this blender versatile enough for a wide range of recipes. Despite its small size, the Magic Bullet packs a punch with its 250-watt high-torque power base. This motor is powerful enough to handle most blending tasks you throw at it, from smoothies to sauces and dips. The specially designed crossblade works in conjunction with the unique bullet-shaped cups to create a cyclonic effect, which forces ingredients back into the cutting zone, ensuring thorough blending every time. For making smoothies, the Magic Bullet excels. It effortlessly blends frozen fruits and leafy greens into smooth, consistent results. If you're someone who enjoys starting the day with a quick smoothie, this blender will meet your needs without the hassle of a larger appliance. It also handles chopping vegetables with ease, making it a great choice for meal prep tasks like chopping onions, garlic, or even harder vegetables like carrots. One area where the Magic Bullet may fall short for some users is in its blending power. While it does an excellent job with softer ingredients, it might struggle with tougher tasks, blending whole ice cubes or very dense ingredients. If you're looking to crush ice for frozen drinks regularly, you might find that the Magic Bullet requires a bit more effort and time compared to more powerful blenders on the market. The Magic Bullet is incredibly easy to use, making it a great choice for beginners or those who want to simplify their kitchen routines. With its one-touch operation, you can simply twist the cup into the base and let the blender do the work. There are no complicated settings or buttons to worry about. The simplicity of the Magic Bullet means you can go from blending to enjoying your meal or drink in a matter of seconds. The included cups make it convenient to blend and serve in the same container, reducing the need for additional dishes. Tall cup is perfect for making smoothies or shakes, while the short cup and party mug offer versatility for smaller servings or drinks on the go. The resealable lids allow you to store your creations in the fridge for later without needing to transfer to another container. Cleaning the Magic Bullet is also a breeze. All of the cups, lids, and blades are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Alternatively, you can rinse the components under running water immediately after use. They're easy to hand wash. This convenience is particularly appreciated for those with busy lifestyles who need a fast and efficient cleanup process. One of the standout features of the Magic Bullet is its versatility. This blender can handle a wide range of tasks, including chopping, mixing, blending, whipping, grinding, and mincing. Whether you're making smoothies, omelets, sauces, or dips, the Magic Bullet can do it all. The compact size also makes it easy to store in a cupboard or even leave on the countertop without taking up too much space. The included 10-second recipe guide is a helpful addition, offering inspiration for quick and easy meals. From appetizers to desserts, the recipe guide showcases just how versatile the Magic Bullet can be in the kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, the recipe guide makes it easy to experiment with different flavors and techniques. One of the most notable features of the Magic Bullet is its ability to whip up meals and snacks in as little as 10 seconds. This is ideal for anyone who wants to save time in the kitchen without compromising on quality. The ability to blend, chop, and prepare meals quickly makes the Magic Bullet a great option for busy individuals, families, or those who simply want to spend less time cooking. With over 40 million Magic Bullets sold, this product has a proven track record of delivering on its promises. The affordable price point makes it an attractive option for those who want a versatile blender without breaking the bank. While it may not have the power of higher-end blenders, the Magic Bullet offers excellent value for money, especially considering its compact design and ease of use. The 3-year satisfaction guarantee provides peace of mind, ensuring that you'll get your money's worth. If you're looking for a blender that can handle everyday tasks like smoothies, shakes, and basic food prep, Magic Bullet is a solid investment, particularly well-suited for those who prioritize convenience and speed in their kitchen appliances. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.